Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can enable the light or dark theme in the Lovable AI account or application. So let us guide you through it. So guys, it is different than applying a custom color theme for your apps you create here in Lovable AI. You can customize the app theme here at the top by clicking into design or by interacting with the artificial intelligence. Now, to use the light color theme for your interface in general here in Lovable AI, you will need to return to your home section, and after that click into your profile icon in the bottom left and simply hover your mouse over appearance and select the light theme. There you go. You can go to dark color. You may also customize these by selecting different background. That's it. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.